This is the JTV News Update. I am Sean Rose. On April 17 and 18, doctors, nurses, hospital chaplains, counselors, social workers, pastors, and community clergy will benefit from a professional development training conference that will focus on integrative care and crisis response titled Caribbean Journey of Hope Clinic, to be held at Peebles Hospital. Seminar leader and relationship consultant Pastor Isaac Schaefer says integrative care and crisis response supports medical care treatment services.
Integrative care means that we combine medicine that works for the body, medicine for the mind, psychiatry, and spirituality, that's what pastors and reverends and clinician gives. And also we bring them together in one milieu, one model of care, that instead of people going to the doctor and just being treated for disease in the body, we look at the whole person. And that model of care, by the way, is being used all across the world. For example, in the United States, at Cancer Treatment Centers of America, the largest, well, I guess it's not the largest, but certainly it's the most effective top-tier hospital that deals with cancer. They make sure that they treat the mind, the body, and the soul.
Pastor Schaefer says the conference will better equip persons to better address several health and social-related issues.
So when a mom or a dad is facing the fact that their young child has third-degree burns, what do you do? When you are the pastor and your own son drowned, what do you do? So the conference deals with these very humanistic element of how do we respond. It takes friends, it takes people to come and minister to you. So when you talk about this, when a person is on drugs or a family member develops bipolar disorder, what do you do? And so that's why we bring this conference together, because we want people to get well, but also to support mom and dad, cousins and aunts. So the health service is doing a great job by hosting this conference with us. So I urge the pastors, the counselors, school leaders to please come.
The clinic slated for Wednesday 17th and Thursday 18th April at Peebles Hospital's training room is being held in conjunction with Covenant Point Institute of the USVI, the BVI Health Services Authority, and Cancer Treatment Centers of America. The Inland Revenue Department is inviting all taxpayers and potential taxpayers on Anegada to attend a mandatory one-day training in payroll taxes and forms to be held on Wednesday, April 17 at the Emil Dunlop Community Center from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. The training sessions are designed to educate taxpayers on legislations and amendments to the legislations in an effort to assist taxpayers in completing their forms accurately. For more information, persons can call the Inland Revenue Department at 468-3701 extension 2155. The Peebles Hospital Development Project is said to be progressing steadily, according to Health Minister Honorable Ronnie Skelton. The minister says significant progress is being made on the project.
We made a commitment to finish the new Peebles Hospital upon our return to office in November of 2011. I am pleased to report that the new Peebles Hospital development has been progressing steadily since the construction resumed last year. Works during the month of March included mechanical reinstallation works, wall finishes, casework installation, plumbing fixtures installation has also commenced. The contractor's approach has been to work downwards through the building, starting with electrical conduits, then the water supply lines, followed by mechanical gas lines, and then the air conditioning ducts. The cabinets, plumbing fixtures, and final finishes follow after. This work is now well underway with significant activity on most floors down to level 3, Madam Speaker.
Meanwhile, the health minister says design for the expansion of the Iris O'Neill Clinic on Virgin Gorda will be presented to the Virgin Gorda community for feedback very soon.
We have now received updated schematic designs from A.R. Potter and Associates, the local architectural firm engaged to develop plans for this important facility. Care has been taken, Madam Speaker, to incorporate feedback received from specialists, advisors, and early public consultations in designing a modern, practical facility that will accommodate future growth and expansion in services. Features include an ambulance bay, modern laboratory facilities, procedure and treatment rooms, as well as emergency room with state-of-the-art equipment to assist with stabilizing patients for transfer as needed. Madam Speaker, we are at a stage where we can now present these design concepts to the Virgin Gorda community in order to solicit further input before construction drawings are finalized.
According to the Health Minister, construction of the Golden Years or Senior Citizen Center at Spooner's Estate is also expected to begin shortly. The British Virgin Islands Tourist Board will host BVI Marketplace on Thursday, April 11 at Maria's by the Sea. The day-long event will bring attendees from throughout the tourism industry together with representatives from various local associations, airlines, and overseas agencies for face-to-face meetings and network opportunities. The Tourist Board has issued an invitation to the public to attend the evening session for the launch and celebration of the BVI Staycation and summer packages from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. For the JTV News Update, I am Sean Rose.